$10,000. 16 months, 609,000 in profit. That's a 60 times return from a Forex EA called SmartOwlFX on MQL5. Sounds like a straight line backtest dream, right? Let me show you what's really going on. So here are the raw numbers. Initial deposit, $10,000. Total net profit, $609,775. 371 trades, 362 wins, 9 losses. That's a 97.57% win rate. Profit factor, 27.62. Sharp ratio, 23.78. On paper, these numbers are insane. But here's where the dream hits a brick wall. No hype, no fake straight line backtests. Let's dig into what these numbers actually mean. SmartOwlFX is a night scalper. It trades during the Asian session, specifically around hour 0 midnight server time, when the major markets are quiet. Mean reversion logic. Price stretches too far from its range. The EA jumps in for a quick pullback trade, and the entry data proves it. Look at this. Almost all entries cluster around hour 0. A few around hour 23. Nothing during London. Nothing during New York. This is pure Asian session trading. The EA runs on 10 symbols from a single chart. M5 timeframe on USD CHF is where you attach it. It monitors multiple pairs simultaneously, finds setups, executes, and gets out. Fixed stop loss on every single trade. No martingale, no grid, no doubling down after a loss. Now here's what the MQL5 page won't tell you. Balance drawdown, 4.32%. That looks beautiful, but equity drawdown, 26.21%. That's 6 times higher. What does that mean? It means while trades are open, your account is floating 26% in the red at its worst point. The balance never shows it because the trade eventually closes in profit. But if you're watching your equity in real time, and trust me, you will be. That's a gut punch. And then there's the loss profile. Average winning trade, $1,747. Average losing trade, $2,545. The losses are bigger than the wins. The win rate bails you out, 97.5% of trades close green. But when a trade goes wrong, it hits hard. The biggest single loss, $14,922. One trade wiped out nearly 9 average winners. Let's look at the monthly breakdown. February and April, the monster months, over 140,000 in February, over 150,000 in April. But then June, July, August, the market goes quiet, and so does the EA. 5,000, 10,000 a month. This is the night scalper reality. When volatility dies in the summer, the edge shrinks. Fewer setups, smaller moves, less profit. And here's the uncomfortable question. If you started running this EA in June, would you have the patience to sit through 3 months of near zero returns? Most traders wouldn't. They'd crank up the risk. And that's exactly when the 26% equity drawdown finds you. Profit factor of 27.62. That means for every dollar lost, you make $27. That's extraordinary. Recovery factor 6.65. The total profit covers the max drawdown 6.5 times over. But, and I keep coming back to this, 9 losing trades in 16 months. 9. One of those losses was almost $15,000. The Z-score is 1.06. That means wins and losses are essentially random in sequence. You cannot predict when the next loss is coming. It could be tomorrow. It could be 3 months from now. The maximum consecutive wins, 150 trades. The maximum consecutive loss is 1. That sounds amazing. But it also means your first loss after a 150 win streak will feel like a truck hitting you at 60 miles an hour. If you're finding this breakdown useful, hit that subscribe button for more on expensive EA teardowns. No hype, no fake straight line backtests, just pure honest trading logic. So is SmartOwlFX worth $399? The backtest is real. The numbers are real. 60 times return on capital, 97% win rate. No martingale garbage, fixed stops on every trade. This is one of the cleanest EA structures I've seen on MQL5. But, and you knew this was coming, backtest results are not live results. Spreads during rollover will eat your profit if you're on the wrong broker. You need an ECN account. You need a VPS. You need the discipline to run it at low risk and walk away. If you can do those 3 things, this EA has a real edge. If you can't, it's a $399 lesson in humility. Head over to arbot.ct. You can download SmartOwlFX there along with the tools that actually work. And if you want me to run this EA live and report back with real numbers, drop a comment below. Stay safe out there. Happy trading.